May nagtanong sa akin, "Hello engineer, I just want to ask for help and guidance. I am applying po kasi as building engineer and the resident engineer asked me to present the importance of the job including the equipment involved. Can you help me po?" Ang building engineer, tayo ang responsible for the maintenance and safety ng building o ng property to ensure na smooth ang operations like walang sudden power and water interruption, maayos ang air conditioning system, at readily available ang generators at fire protection system. Sa trabaho, madalas mong may encounter ang transformers, switch gears, and panel boards para sa electrical distribution, cooling towers, VRF, and blowers para sa HVAC system, and fire alarms and sprinklers para sa fire safety, water pumps para sa water distribution, generators in case na mag-brown out, at madami pang iba. Sa presentation mo, pwede mong ipakita kung paano connected ang lahat ng system sa daily operations ng building. At syempre, ipakita mo din na handa ka maging part ng team. So, yun lang. Kung may tanong ka pa, just comment down below at sasagutin natin yan sa next video.